Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. A fellow Sonex builder, Brian Cotton, recommended that the bolts for the starter be safety wired into position because they have a tendency to vibrate loose. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to drill holes in the heads of the bolts to accept safety wire, and then I'll show you how to install safety wire on the bolts to hold them securely in position. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching. Okay, today I'm going to drill the starter bolts in order to be able to use safety wire on them. I don't want them to vibrate loose in flight. So the first step is go ahead and drill a hole through the end of the bolt. Put a little bit of cutting oil on here. I've installed the starter and the bolts have been torqued, and now, since we drilled the heads of the bolts, we can safety wire them together so that they can't vibrate loose. So I'm going to start by running safety wire through the bottom bolt. Okay, and the one that comes out the top, I'm going to run over the top and back under so that when we're pulling on this, it's tightening that bolt. So as we tug on this, we're putting more tension. We're putting more tension on the bolt. Safety wire pliers are going to go on here and they'll twist it for us. So I'll go ahead and install this on the wire first. Okay, and then we just pull it and it twists the wire. Okay, looks like it's pretty close to what we need. Okay, that's about right. And we're going to run this safety wire through the hole in this bolt, the top bolt. Okay, we're in this with the top. And then when we tighten these, when I go ahead and tighten this, it'll pull the bolt tighter. Tail off. and then bend the tip of that tail so that it doesn't poke you. So you can see the bottom bolt. The safety wire goes through the hole and around the outside of the bolt. And when you tug on that wire, it's tightening the bolt. Then it comes up to the top wire, and it also goes around. And so when you tug on the wire, you'll be tightening that bolt also.